I get those goosebumps every time you're not around. Yes, sir. We got another early look, y'all, and I had no clue that these were happening this year, y'all. But December 2024 ain't over, y'all, man. We got a banger. Let's talk about it. YouTube fam, thank God it's Friday. We got some early, so look, thank God it, man. What's good with y'all, man? We moving and grooving and getting out them early kicks over here, man. What's poppin'? It's your boy Jay here, back for yet another video, another early look, y'all. Look, man, if I ain't been banging them out to y'all, bro, come on, man. I've been hitting y'all top the head with these early looks, man. I mean, I've been consistent with it, man. What more can I say? You know what I'm saying? Word to Jay-Z, you know. But yes, man, we do got another one, and this one right here, y'all, shocked me. It came out of left field. I seen early images of this shoe. The shoe came out nothing like what I expected. The mock-up was off on this one. However, we still got dropped with a banger on our head, man. We do have an upcoming collab from Jordan Brand, and of course the man himself, Travis Scott. He has seemed to be keeping the Jordan 1 low wave popping, you know. Nobody makes Jordan 1 collabs like him when it comes to like the lows and stuff like that. But we do have another one from him, and this one is what I want to say Travis Scott's favorite color, y'all. It's got to be his favorite color because he puts it on a majority of his shoes. And you know, when he does use this color, a lot of the times people say that in particular colorway on a shoe is the best looking one. For example, we got, you know, the OG Jordan 1 low mochas. Bang! The of course Travis Scott Jordan 1 low mochas, which kind of goes crazy with my fit right now, man. The gallery department shorts, you know, like, yeah, man, I might gotta put this together, man. This might be my Saturday fit. I'm rocking this on Friday night in the crib, but yeah, these hot, man. Do your research on these. I need to wear these like a whole week straight, you know what I'm saying, for as much as I pay for these. But anyways, don't think that, you know, your boy Jay is, you know, abnormal for wearing what I'm wearing in the video outside to the public tomorrow, because these kind of go crazy together. But yes, man, look, the Mocha Jordan 1 low Travis Scott's, y'all, arguably one of the best looking Jordan 1 lows. Like, it is either one or two, one of those two spots, you know what I'm saying. Fire colorway, and like I said, man, whenever he does put mocha on a shoe, he does it well, y'all. So with that being said, y'all, we got mocha on this shoe. But before we show it to you, if this is your first time stopping through, rocking out with your boy Jay and the fam, I would love for you to be a part of the family and hit that subscribe button, man. Shout out to all the new members, y'all. Look, we have been growing, man. We're about to hit the next number up, and I can't thank nobody else but of course the man upstairs and y'all for rocking out with your boy Jay, man. So real talk, man, I appreciate y'all for always showing the support, always hitting the thumbs up, man. Like I said, I'm gonna keep the content rolling out to y'all, man. Y'all just give me y'all feedback on what y'all want to see and how y'all want to rock out. But for newcomers, man, hit that subscribe button. OGs, make sure that you are still subscribed, and leave a comment down below, man. Say something, tap in, you know what I'm saying? Like, let me know what's going on. But I will respond back to every comment. Your boy Jay reads them all. And yes, man, with that little spill out the way, y'all, we can finally get into a shoe that is releasing this December. I will tell you guys the official date here in this video, so stay tuned, and let's check out this upcoming collab, y'all. Yes, sir. Got another early, man. Shout out to you, man. I appreciate you. Bang, y'all. You see what's going on with it, man. Take a look at the box, y'all. It just seems like just the day before yesterday, like literally a couple days ago, I showed you guys an early look of a shoe that had the same exact box, the Jordan 1 low medium olives, y'all. And it's crazy to see that we are getting two Travis Scott Jordan Brand releases within a span of 3 months, y'all. Crazy. We used to get like Travis Scott's once a year, you know what I'm saying, like crazy. But we do have, of course, the same style of box that we have been seeing with the mocha brown, the cream. Size tag reads Air Jordan 1 low. Color blocking is dark mocha black velvet brown. So these are the velvet brown Jordan 1 low Travis Scott's. Of course, this is a personnel, y'all. Size mine written right there on the tag. And you know, hey, straight to the toe, straight to the toe. But popping open the box lid, we do have lot number. I don't see it unless it's blending in. It always blends in, but I don't see it, y'all. So I don't see a lot number on the lid right here. Don't see a lot number on the lid. However, it might be one inside here. Let me look around real quick. No lot number. No lot number. Unless it's hidden, y'all. I'm not seeing no lot number on the inside of this box, y'all. So, no lot number on these, y'all. So, we do got the pink Travis Scott paper that we all have seen. I mean, not everyone owns Travis Scott. So, for y'all that don't know, you know, we got the Nike symbol, we got the Wings logo, and we got Travis Scott's face though, man. But move that out the way. You got another sheet covering over it. Let's move that out the way. And, oh, we got one more, and then we're going to see what's in here, y'all. So, we do have the 2024 Jordan 1 Low Velvet Brown Travis Scott's, which is releasing on December 21st. $150. Oh man. Whew. Bang. Okay. Y'all outdid yourself, Jordan Brand. Travis Scott. Now these right here, y'all. Man. I just want to smell it. Like, it looks like a coffee bean. It looked like it would smell like coffee. That's what the shoe looked like. It looked like it would smell like coffee grounds. You know what I'm saying? Like, man. This is up there, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This colorway is up there. And it is, hey. Can we get a round of applause, please? Round of applause, please. Timing is right with the release, y'all. Fall. Perfect, Jordan Brand. This is what we need to do. Fall time release. Perfect. About to get ready for the winter, you know, December 21st. Perfect, Jordan Brand. Like, yeah, that's what I want to see. But, man, hey, man, make sure y'all thumbs it up for the early look, man. Your boy Jay be spending all type of money just to give y'all an early look, you know what I'm saying? So, all I ask y'all to do, hit that thumbs up for your boy Jay. But we have, officially, the Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Velvet Browns, y'all. Bang! Here we have them, y'all. And these, like I said, y'all, man, they are clean, man. I love how they did this shoe. And it is so simple, y'all. This right here 100% just says Travis Scott to me. Like, this, like, just it expresses Travis Scott. Like, if you look at Travis Scott's vibe, man, he seems like an earth tone type dude. Like, he loves his browns, and I can easily see why this color came out for him. And I can easily see this being one of the highest, you know, priced Travis Scotts, you know, throughout the years. When it's all settled, the smoke is done, all the pairs are purchased and all that, man, I feel like this shoe is gonna be one of the most expensive Travis Scotts down the line, y'all. But real quick, man, fit check. Did I nail it? Yeah, I could throw on the velvet browns with the fit, man. I could do it, y'all. I could do it. You know what I'm saying? Definitely, y'all. But yeah, bro, these right here, man. Let me stand up for a second, y'all. These right here are super clean. Like I said, y'all, it looks like it has like a velvet brown coffee bean type of look to it. Take a look at the back. Of course, you do got your Wings logo. You do have the Travis Scott Cactus Jack face back there on the back, y'all, and I love it, man. I love how we got the is this like a canvas? It's a rough leather, man. It's like a rough leather on the toe box. Then you got, of course, the shredded leather, like it looks like a suede kind of, you know, along the outlining of the shoe. But these are very nice, y'all. Very, very nice Jordan 1 Low, man. I must say, y'all, these are up there, y'all. These are one of my favorites, definitely, y'all. And they do come with a couple extra added accessories. What flavor did they give us? Because we do got some extra laces in here, y'all. We do have a brown, y'all. So I thought brown was in the shoe. It is a form of brown, but it's a whole different, like a darker brown, I want to say, to hit off the darker areas of the shoe. We got a brown one, and what else we got on this side? We got a pink one. Hey, Travis Scott loves his pink, you know what I'm saying? Like, so we got a pink and we got a brown, but we got to throw some sail laces in here, y'all. Like, I ain't even gonna hide it, y'all. We got to throw some sail in here. It's gonna make it look like that nice, you know what I'm saying, like leveled out look as far as with the dark brown. You got the nice cream look in the lace area. I think that's gonna go crazy, y'all. But comment down below, bruh. The swoosh, y'all. Taking a look at the swoosh, man. It is a premium leather going around that swoosh, man. These go crazy, y'all. Like I said, man, hey, this is Travis Scott's exclusive pair. I could have easily seen these being a friends and family. That's what this shoe is giving, y'all. This shoe is giving big friends and family vibes, man. But comment down below, y'all, where do you rank these? Like, I do want to show you guys again the OG mochas up against these, and Just give me y'all thoughts where y'all think these land, y'all. Bang! So here we have the OGs, y'all. Now look, man, like I said, y'all, it is something about the subtle all over look of these, man. Like, this is one of them shoes, right, that doesn't like scream at you. It doesn't go blow. It's like you look down at them and it's like one of them if you know type shoes because of how, you know, it blends all together. Of course, this pops more, you know, you're gonna see it, you're gonna catch it easier, but this one, I love how it just blends in, and it's just something about them, y'all. But comment down below, y'all, what are we doing? We doing OGs or we doing velvet browns, y'all? But it is close, y'all. It is close, and I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro. I think this might be my favorite Travis Scott, y'all. I think that this might be my favorite, low-key, bro. Low-key, this is probably my favorite Travis Scott, y'all. Love it, y'all. These go crazy. Go crazy, man. Nice materials on it. All that good stuff, y'all. But comment down below, man. What y'all doing with these? How do y'all rank them? Fire, man. Just definitely a nice, subtle, clean, earth tone, you know what I'm saying, shoe. Going crazy, man. Going crazy, man. A+. Jordan Brand, Travis Scott, A+, man. But comment down below. These look like a friends and family to me for like the 3rd time, and I'm just yeah. Take a look. I didn't even show y'all, man, how the Cactus Jack logo stuff blends in right there on the tongue. Like, these go crazy, man. Look at the look at the detailing, bruh. It has that bronze type of shine on the back, man. Take a look at this, y'all. This looks like a trophy or something. Like they really outdid themselves with this pair, man. And like I said, it is so subtle. Like, it's nothing crazy, not a crazy colorway to say. I mean, the colorway is crazy, but take a look at the Nike Air. Like, it has like a bronze shine to it, you know what I'm saying? Like, these are hard, man. But y'all comment down below. I'm done praising this shoe. I ain't even gonna say the word praise because all praise be to the Most High, you know what I'm saying? But I'm done, you know what I'm saying, talking about the shoe and how good they look, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's it. Your boy Jay is checking out. Early look again, man. I might have another one for y'all tomorrow, bro, because I mean, I'm just banging them out, y'all. So hit the thumbs up if y'all want to see some more earlies. On feet's on the way, all that good stuff. This is my favorite Travis Scott, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna say it here, man. But I'm gone. Y'all stay blessed. Enjoy the rest of y'all day. Fireness. Peace.
Jay to go, oh, oh, oh. Jay to go.